Hey guys, so today we're gonna be making use of accessing YouTube's APIs in Python. So first create a Python file, and after that I'll put a link in the description for the website that you need to go to. That means I'm gonna put it in the description. So that means we're gonna take this. Copy, and we're gonna open up command prompt. I'm gonna paste that in. It's gonna show something else for me, but I already have it. So that means then we're gonna copy this, and once again, paste. It's gonna be something different for you because I already have it. Then we can Excel. And now after that, we can just go back into Visual Studio. And now we're gonna use a bit of code. Now we're actually going to start coding. So I think you like that. So that means after that, we're gonna write from Google API client dot discovery import build. That's it. Make sure that you have that everything's installed on command prompt. So that means after that, we're going to go down to, and now we're actually going to go and open up, and now we're gonna go and open up a new Chrome window. So that means here in console. So write in your URL bar console.developers.google.com and /APIs. That's it. And you should pop up, and then you should be at the dashboard. Make sure you have a Google account for this. Then you go to library. Right here, you're just gonna write YouTube. There we go. We're just gonna click on it. Yours would say enable. Mine's is already enabled. So that means after that, we're going to go into credentials. Then we're going to click create credentials API key. Make sure nobody sees this except yourself, or else people can access this and probably do terrible stuff with it, and it would look like you did it. So that means we're going to copy the key, and I'm going to delete this API key after this video is done. And then we're going to go back into Visual Studio. We're going to create another variable. Well, this is the first variable. And then we're going to press single quotations. We're going to paste in our unique API key. We're going to go down to, this is another variable. Then we're going to write build. Then we're going to press single quotation, write YouTube, as to reference the YouTube API thing. And then we're going to write v3 because it's a v3. And then just gonna write developer key. And then we're gonna write API key. We're gonna reference our variable right here. That means after that, we're gonna make a request to access the API. That means we're gonna write YouTube.channels.list. So that means after that, we're once again referencing our v3 data thing. And then what part do we want to see? Part. Then we're going to go ahead. We're going to write statistics. And then here, we're going to write for me. Now this is where we ask for what we want. we ask the part that we want to access. Now we have to tell them what statistics what's the statistics of the channel that we're looking for. So you could, if you have like, if your channel name, it does not have multiple, since there's multiple that one users, I have to put in my YouTube ID. But if you had a unique username that nobody else had, all you wrote was for username. Now let's say your name is CoolGamer123. Then you just write in your name here, your YouTube channel name here. But since there are multiple .1 users, I'm gonna have to use an ID. So that means now if you want to find your ID, you're gonna have to go into your channel page. You're going to go into this random string of numbers and letters and symbols. We're gonna copy it. Now we're gonna go back to Visual Studio, and we're gonna paste it in there. So pretty much we're almost done. We're just gonna write request. Wait, response. Oh yeah. Because Python doesn't let you create like multiple of the same variable name, so then we're gonna call it request.execute. Request.execute. Then we're gonna print it. Print response. There we go. And now if we run it, I can tell it's a bit hard to see, but it is right here. So results per page, because I put in my own ID. Now items, it's a YouTube channel. View count 229, and then comment, subscriber 18, and then, you know, the normal stuff. But if I were to write for username, then if we run it, results per page 5. It doesn't show my own YouTube channel.